Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Poor Girl. A moral story: help people in need. Nancy saw a poor girl standing outside her school one morning. She wondered what the girl wanted. She decided to go and talk to her. But the moment Nancy went near to the girl ran away. Over the next few days, Nancy became busy with her studies and forgot about the girl. But a month later, she saw the girl again and asked her mother to talk to her. Nancy's mother asked her, "What are you doing here?" The girl replied, "My mother is ill, but I don't have the money for her medicine." They went to meet the girl's mother and took her to the doctor. Nancy's mother took care of the ill woman and also encouraged the girl to go to school. In no time, the woman was healthy and got a job. Nancy and the girl became good friends and went to school together every day.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.